Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Chanté, and I'm here with another video. If you are new here, what's up with it? Be sure to make sure you are subscribed, so hit that subscription button followed by the notification bell so that way you are updated when I post new videos weekly. I am bringing to you guys something very different. Actually, no, I've done a video on menstruation before. So a brand actually reached out to me called Oh Hi. They are a top-selling brand on Amazon, and they specialize in a period starter kit, which is a washable charcoal bamboo cloth menstrual pad. And this is it right here. So if you are not one to hear about menstruation, I mean, why would you click on this video if you weren't? Don't keep on watching. But if you are and you're interested to see a healthy alternative, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so in the past I did the review on the Cora Women pads, which I really love. Since then, I use Cora in tangent with 7th generation because sometimes it depends on how my flow is going, and one is like a little bit more absorbent than the other. Cora is a little thin, and sometimes I might have a heavy flow and a wide set vagina. So that's it. And here I have this that was sent to me by Oh Hi, and I thought it was very interesting. So I haven't actually gotten a chance to use it while having my period, but I have used it. So my period lasts about 5 days, 3 days really, and then 2 days of just the motions. So what I am doing right now is currently using it for the last 2 days, and usually you could use a panty liner for that, and I think this has been really good. The reason why I think that I really like this, well, there's a caveat to it. So this is not something that you can just throw away. You're supposed to wash this. So after you use it, you can fold her up if you were to use her for full-on periods, and then you fold her up in half, and then take this little snap you got going on here, close her, and then you can put her back in your bag. The only issue I have with that is I don't want to be walking around with a period pad all day. So that's why I find it a little bit better for me to use on the later days when I don't really have a flow. It's more so just like what I would use a panty liner for, because it's the end of the cycle and you want to just catch anything else that may be on its way out. So I think that is beneficial for this. What I do love about this, I usually get a lot of irritation from actual pads because for whatever reason it just bothers my skin. Because this is a nice cloth, you forget that you even have it on. It's really soft and it's comfortable. So I do love that added benefit of it, and it's like an alternative to just having that material from even though I've used the organic and the cotton pads, I still find that it irritates my skin. So this I haven't had any issues with, and it's extremely soft. Now, again, for me, I haven't gotten a chance to actually use it for a full cycle, and I don't even know if I'm really necessarily comfortable with doing just that. I think it's a great idea. It's something that I would probably try while I'm home, and then that way you can just throw it right in the wash right when you are done using it. But it is definitely a unique idea, and the fact that it's made from bamboo, it's definitely going to save a lot of people a lot of money and time. You can get multiples of these, and then you have this convenient little pack that it comes in. Now I currently have on one, and then there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They sent 6 of them, and they all fit here in this pouch. So you can definitely use this as a carry-on. If you're like me, I love having a separate pouch for my pads, and I think that's really beneficial. If you're somebody who wears panty liners on a regular, I think you would extremely benefit from this, because it is a nice natural cloth that you can put, and then once you feel like you're done for the day, close it up. And there's 6 of them, so you can use them one a day, and then you put them in like every 3 days. You wash, and then you put them like with your laundry, you wash them, and then you can have a constant cycle of them to be in rotation. And a little bit of history about the brand. So it says, our team consists of my sister and I and our doggy, Shippo. And we come from a poor financial background family. We work hard to live the American dream. So our product is featured on Gist Gear as a top 10 most popular new releases. I feel like it's a very hot selling product. When I was looking up, I think I mentioned this in the core video, and I was looking up, I saw these, and I was just like, that's interesting. Look at how God manifests things, and they actually reached out to me to do a collaboration video. So I think that this is a really, really cool idea. The way that the world is going, like, if we don't start becoming more sustainable and rethinking about how we do things, we're already killing ourselves. We're gonna be, like, right now, animals are going extinct, like, every day. We're gonna go extinct ourselves because of the way that we're treating the environment. And I think this is really good because it becomes something that's sustainable. And it's just a new way of doing things. Like, I know a lot of people are not into doing things differently from what they're used to, but soon we're going to start seeing this be the wave, and I'm here for it. Right now, I think it's working perfect for my end of flow because it saves you a lot of time, especially if you're not really having much flow. You don't have that irritation of the pad on it. You can just use this and then toss it in the wash. Depends, but I do think that if you have a lighter cycle, this would be definitely great for you, and you would be saving yourself a lot of money. I would get 2 packs just so that way you have some change and some variation within what you're doing. But I really do think that this is a really awesome product, and although I haven't tried it for my full period yet, I really recommend you to try these because, like, for me right now, because I have them, it's a benefit to then try it when I have when the full-on period comes. But the thing that catches me the most is that it doesn't irritate me, and that's what regular pads do, whether they're organic or I don't use OOAs and Kotex unless I I'm somewhere and I just need something. But usually I use my organic stuff, and I got my mom to switch over and things like that. So I think this is a really, really awesome product. Hi O is the name of the brand, not Oh Hi. Hi O, and I think that you guys should check this out. I'll leave the link to the product below, and it's not an affiliate link, it's just a regular link, so you guys can check that out and buy yourself some of these, and even let me know in the comments if you tried these before and if you like them. I really think these are really awesome. They're really comfortable, and I hope that this was beneficial for you guys in finding some alternatives to, one, be globally sound, more sustainable, and also to protect your body. So I hope you guys enjoy this and you are able to go out and get some, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Look, hey yo, I open my eyes, the sunrise right atop my cranium. Stress weigh the body like uranium. What's the verbatim? Every day like deja vu. Only fear is I start to get comfortable, not wanna be typical. Climb my way to the pinnacle while I'm alive in my physical, yo. And money soon be the ritual.